it is crucial that we address the pressing issue of textile pollution. Did you know that the fashion industry is one of the largest contributors to global pollution with around 10% of carbon emissions and massive amounts of textile waste? Fast fashions exacerbates this problem, promoting disposable clothing and exploiting workers. However, there is a hope in sustainable clothing. Sustainable fashion prioritizes environmental responsibility, fair labor practices, and circularity through recycling and upcycling. By embracing sustainable practices, we can revolutionize the industry, creating a more equitable and environmentally friendly future for fashion. Textile pollution poses a grave threat to our environment, contaminating waterways, degrading ecosystems, and exacerbating climate change. By diverting textile waste from landfills and incinerators, our solution mitigates these harmful impacts and paves the way for a cleaner, greener future. Through collaboration with stakeholders across the supply chain, we can catalyze systemic change and usher in a new era of sustainability in fashion.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and to a journey towards refining a fashion industry toward innovation and sustainability fast and as dominate our clothes for decades, offering affordable and trendy clothes at expense of our planet's well-being. But today, we stand at the brink of change. Introducing a groundbreaking solution that not only address textile waste but also improving customer to make conscious choice.
Let's delve into the harsh realities of fast fashion. Did you know that the fashion industry is the second largest polluter globally, emitting more carbon than international flight and maritime shipping combined? Shocking, isn't it? Moreover, the average person throws away about 18 pounds of clothing each year, contributing the alarming rate textile waste accumulation. These statistics paint a dry picture of our current fashion landscape, underscoring the urgent need for change.
A major shift towards eco-conscious practices that meet environmental and social responsibility. Our vision is to change the way we produce, consume, and dispose of clothing by embracing sustainable materials, ethical labor practices, and innovation technologies. Labor practices and innovative technologies, we can minimize our ecological footprint and foster a more equitable fashion ecosystem.
Hi guys, today we see our prototype sustainable style bin. First scan the label here, then put clothes inside the box. Wait for 10 seconds. Now we are get a coupon. You will get 10. Thank you guys. See you again.
Our solution is twofold: a cutting-edge machine that transforms old clothes into valuable resource, and a user-friendly mobile app that can educate and empowers consumers. Imagine a world where you can effortlessly recycle your old garments and receive coupons for future purchases. A win-win for both consumers and the planet. Additionally, our mobile app can serve as a hub for education, gamification, and community engagement, promoting sustainable shopping habits and fostering a sense of collective responsibility.
Potential of our idea is boundless. Not only does it offer a practical solution to a pressing environmental issue, but it also taps into the growing demand for ethical and sustainable environmental in the fashion industry. With the right investment and support, we can scale our solution globally and and transforming the way we produce the consume and on a massive scale.
Our innovation idea aligns with the following Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) set by the United Nations. SDG 12 Responsible Consumption and Production. Our idea promotes responsible shopping habits by encouraging people to reuse and recycle old clothes. This helps reduce waste and encourages sustainable practice in the fashion industry. SDG 13 Climate Action. By reducing the amount of clothing waste and promoting reuse, our innovation helps lower the environmental impact of the fashion industry, contributing to efforts to combat climate change. SDG 14 Life below water and SDG 15 Life on land. Textile waste can harm marine and land ecosystems. Our idea helps prevent this by reducing pollution and waste in water bodies and landfills, thus supporting biodiversity and ecosystem health. SDG 9 Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure. Our innovation involves creating new technology like the recycling machine and tools like the mobile app to support sustainable practices in the fashion industry, contributing to innovation and sustainable development. By addressing these goals, our innovation not only helps the environment but also supports broader efforts to create a more sustainable and equitable world for everyone.
Yet, we envision further innovation or collaborations to improve the impact our solution from expanding our network of recycling machines to reintegrating advanced AI algorithms into our mobile app. The possibilities are endless. We can continuously adapt with available and meet the evolving needs of our planet and its habitats.
Of course, no solution is without its limitations, from logistical challenges to consumer behavior. We recognize to complexity inherent in shifting to a sustainable fashion model. However, with determination, creativity, and collective action, we can overcome these obstacles and pave the way for a brighter, more sustainable future together. Let's embark on this journey towards a fashion industry that not only looks good but does good.
Our innovation challenge just about designing a machine or a mobile app. Is about reminding the every user of fashion that's about harnessing the power of technology and human ingenuity to create a world where style meets accessibility and where every purchase carries a cost, where fashionable become a force a good. Join us in this movement and towards a more beautiful and more diligent future. And thank you.